In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and automate your bookkeeping in FreshBooks. Start by opening FreshBooks and heading to your dashboard. This is your command center. Take a second to scan what you see here: recent activity, outstanding invoices, and a snapshot of your income and spending. It's a quick pulse check that helps you spot what needs attention right away. Next, click on Expenses. This is where you'll add your business expenses so everything lives in one place. Add each expense with key details like the date, amount, vendor, and a short description that will make sense to you later. If you have digital receipts, attach them here to keep your documentation tidy and audit-ready. Accuracy at this stage pays off when you're reviewing reports or filing taxes. As you add expenses, categorize them properly. Choose categories that reflect how your business actually spends money, such as software, advertising, travel, or supplies. Stay consistent from month to month so your totals are meaningful. If you're unsure which category to use, pick the closest match and add a clear note. Proper categorization is what turns a list of charges into actionable financial insight. Now click on Invoices. Create and send invoices to your clients directly from FreshBooks. Add your client, include the services or products provided, set due dates and payment terms, and double-check totals and taxes. Preview the invoice to ensure it looks professional, then send it. Sending through FreshBooks helps you track when it's viewed and when it's paid, keeping your cash flow visible and predictable. Head to Bank Connections next. Connect your bank account to bring in transactions automatically. You'll be prompted to link securely to your bank and select the accounts you want to sync. Once connected, enable automatic tracking so FreshBooks imports new transactions regularly. This automation reduces manual entry and helps you catch expenses you might otherwise miss. With your data flowing in, go to Reports. Start with your profit and loss report. Pick a date range, then review your total income, total expenses, and your net profit for that period. Look for spikes or dips and check that expenses are categorized correctly. Reports make it easy to track income and expenses over time, spot trends, and make better decisions about pricing, spending, and growth. By following these steps, your bookkeeping becomes organized and mostly automated, saving you time and giving you confidence that your numbers are accurate and up to date.